human rights groups and opposition activists have voiced concern over legislation which seeks to regulate public protesting in Egypt after dozens lost their lives in demonstrations against the adoption of a constitution that many considered too Islamist. The bill received cabinet approval earlier this week, but still needs to pass through the Islamist-led Shura Council to come into effect. According to the law, demonstrators would be confined to specific locations in each province and would be banned from setting up platforms, using tents for sit-ins, or carrying banners considered insulting to religion or the state. Cairo has insisted that the move aims to curb violence and not to hinder free speech. However, activists say this is only the last in a series of attempts to hinder anti-government protests. International concerns have been mounting over the targeting of dissidents and excessive force used to disperse demonstrations. Security personnel have been particularly criticized for their treatment of women protesters, many of whom say they were sexually assaulted. There are also reports of the emergence of a so-called vigilante group calling itself the Black Bloc, who claim to be defending anti-government demonstrators from attacks by Islamists. However, Cairo was swift to brand the group as work of troublemakers and criminals. Following a 4-day visit to Egypt this week, US human rights official Michael Posner warned of a growing climate of impunity over abuses committed by Egyptian security forces in recent months and called on the government to hold the perpetrators accountable.